All this water is coming right out of the cave we're about to go into. That much water, I think there must have been a lower passage.
Yeah.
It's like a cathedral ceiling.
Yeah. I like this.
Yeah.
I like this a lot.
It's not gonna last, but yeah, I like it. I hope it does. This is awesome. Oh, all this, no, this is just rock. It looked like flowstone for a sec.
Yeah, before it changed it, it's like solid.
Huh. Oh, interesting.
You're going around. Yeah.
You want to? I mean, until we hit deep water.
Yeah, it looks like we're already hitting it.
Oh!
They're everywhere.
Dude!
Like crazy points on it, too.
The horn corals.
Wow. Years old. Hey, this might be a side passage. Whoa, look at that.
Oh? Are we going swimming?
Yeah.
Oh, I'd rather go swimming.
Let's go in there, man.
Go through the. Oh! Oh, that's cold!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's refreshing now.
Okay.
So, there's the water. I think we want to follow the water.
Yeah, water's nice.
Keep going though.
Uh-huh. Dude, I hope we don't get lost in here.
Yeah, I can find my way out from now, but if there's any side passages, you might be in trouble.
Dude, the wall is just made of fossils.
Dang, really?
Yeah, look at the.
Oh yeah, I'm seeing it over here.
Wow. Oh my gosh, man.
We got sharp over here.
It's sharp here too.
It got really sharp.
It's ripping my pants up.
Yeah, I'm ripping my shirt up. Whoa, there's a giant frog in here.
Frog?
Yeah.
That's weird. How do you get back here though?
I don't know, he's just chilling, man.
Oh, I see him. That's a toad.
That's King Toad right there.
This is his house.
Yeah, it's Mr. Ribbit.
Dude, I don't think he's supposed to be down here.
Yeah, you think he'd wander back here?
I think he got flooded in.
Oh.
He's a fat one though. He's eating crickets good.
Oh yeah.
And it's getting low again already.
Yeah.
Uh-oh though.
Whoa.
Dude, we got a three-way split. Dude, the water's so murky in here. Look at this.
Really?
Dude, look at that one. Look at him.
Dang.
That's a huge one.
That's the king in here.
Oh yeah. And then he's got his little ones over here.
Oh, his minion.
His minions, yep. Dude, I think this passage looks pretty damn cool.
Let's go.
Dude, look at all the muck.
What?
Look at
the water draining this way. We're not walking upstream anymore.
No. Oh, dude, it looks really deep over there.
Holy crap.
Yeah, that doesn't look
Yeah,
good.
you'd be swimming right there.
Dude, are these like geodes in the rock?
Geos?
Like, what are all these crystals in the rock? You see these?
Oh yeah, the white. I think they're fossils because I see a coral that's broken open and white.
Huh.
I think the coral got replaced by quartz and stuff.
That's crazy. Dude, there's mosquitoes in here.
Mosquitoes?
Yeah, there's mosquito. I think we're near an entrance.
Stop lying. I hear a rabbit.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it sounds like a waterfall.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it's like going into a hole right here.
Really?
Yeah.
That's probably what you need to know.
It's like a whirlpool.
I bet it just stopped my way. Yeah. I can fit it further, but there's this really sharp rock that I don't like. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it keeps going.
Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so tight.
No. Does not go.
Well that...
I think we gotta turn back around and go follow the other water passage where we split off from.
Like these are definitely entrance bugs, like these centipedes and stuff.
We're close. We're close to an inch. Oh, yeah.
What about that way?
Wanna check it out?
It goes.
Let's check it out.
There's footprints. Dude, look, the leaves.
Oh, it's dark out here.
Yeah. Dude, it's so foggy.
That's crazy. Dude, I bet we're right on top of that waterfall.
What? Yeah, I can hear it. So we went past it. Dude, look how weird this spider web looks with the water on it.
Wow.
So we're heading back in, guys. We're gonna see where that other passage goes when we split to the right back there. Because there still might be some more cave to see, and we just want to make sure. I need ankle guards.
Ankle guards, yeah, that's a new one.
Oh my gosh.
I actually got those for BMXing.
Nice.
They're legit, man. I've actually thought about wearing those now that I don't wear high top boots.
I just keep bashing my ankles. Something weird.
It's an actual cave fish. First fish. Okay. This is split, man.
Oh yeah.
We gotta go that way. Dude, what is that underwater? Is that a giant fish?
Yeah.
Dude!
Dude.
Dude,
Look at
it's
it.
a catfish!
Oh.
Holy crap!
What?
Dude!
What? Where'd it go?
I don't know, he's gone. That's the biggest there is. Oh.
Dude, I've never seen like a full-size fish before. They're always like little tiny things. Yeah, that's a catfish. There's so much more.
Look at that coral.
Dang, it's scooping up all the water. Hey. This part of the cave has so much more life.
I know, right? I wouldn't be surprised if there's all sorts of catfish in there. Certainly a lot of fun.
That looks, oh yeah. That looks like it just flooded.
I think we'd be swimming.
Okay.
I don't think I'm going to be able to use the big light in this one.
Okay guys, you ready? Let's see how deep this is. Oh! Oh!
We're going to be swimming.
Oh! I'm still touching the bottom. Okay, yeah, I'm swimming.
Alright.
It looks like a dead end ahead.
Really? Don't tell me we swam that for nothing.
Oh, it was fun. We didn't do it for nothing.
Fun. Actually, those look like anything now. Dang, the air comes through this breakdown pile.
Dude, there has to be another way.
There's gotta be another way.
Oh, I'm gonna float.
You're gonna alligator your way through?
No, hippopotamus.
Now you're straight up wallowing.
I regret everything. I'm gonna keep going.
Nice to meet you.
And it's really, really sketchy, but it keeps going, man.
Yeah, I saw how far back in the breakdown you were, and it didn't look like a good place.
No, it's a mud plug. No, my bag is stuck. Dude, it was rough back there.
Jeez.
Oh, big rock right here. Oh, another one. Ah.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh, my ankle.
I might need to hike up
His flotation bag.
Swiggo for the win.
We're never gonna see the catfish now. We stirred it all up.
It was stirred up last time though.
But now it's like,
True. Why was a catfish?
where would that be?
Yeah, you can't see anything.
So many fossils in the ceiling.
Oh my gosh. Dude, this whole cave has just been fossils everywhere.
Oh, it got cold.
Oh yeah.
I forgot how cold
Yeah,
this
me
stuff
too.
was.
That is freezing. I miss the hot water.
Isn't that crazy how it gets this cold? Like, there's gotta be two streams converging.
Oh, the frog.
The frog.
Is he here?
Yeah.
Oh,
He's still chilling.
dude, he's all puffed up. Because, like, doesn't he need to see?
Yeah, doesn't the catfish need to see also?
Yeah.
I think everything's just.
I think they're just waiting for the next flood.
Dang.
And waiting to get washed down that waterfall.
Yep, you're right.
But then he's just gonna get sucked into that other cave.
Yeah, right? It's an endless cycle for him.
My GoPro's at 5%.
Shoot.
Means we gotta run, brother.
I don't think we're making it on that.
I don't know when I. Oh, bat. I haven't seen
Really?
it. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, it's gone.
And he's gone.
Dude, these pillars look really cool. Look at that one. It's so skinny. Look how blue this water is. It got so much cleaner.
So much cleaner. I wonder if that's because it's colder.
I
You
know.
like, warm
Oh! It's deep and it's all, I mean, it's just pure. Like, that other water had something in it, man. Whoa, he did it too.
Okay, now I feel better because it's perfectly flat. Yeah.
It was deeper than I thought, and I overextended my.
Oh no! You good?
I'm good. I just not gonna run out.
Okay. The drippy drips.
Say what?
Drip drips.
Oh yeah.
Flowstone.
Fresh one.
Oh, we made it.
Yeah, there's no stump.
Yes.
Sick.
Yeah. Gotta hike back in the dark now.